can pretty confidently say this is the best pork that I've ever had, and it might be just as good, if not better, than your favorite cut of steak. These are Iberico Pork Pluma steaks, and the flavor on these, incredible. And the best part, it's super simple to cook. I was pretty intimidated, but just using a 2-to-1 mixture of flour and salt created that crust on the outside, and you're just searing it in a cast iron for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You don't want to cover up the flavor of how good this is. I just served with the chimichurri on top. I mean, it's called the Wagyu of pork for a reason.